Easy English Practice. Good afternoon, Sarah. It's a pleasure to see you again. I wanted to pick your brain about something that has been on my mind lately. How do you perceive the impact of technology on our modes of communication in today's society?
Good afternoon, Alex. It's always a delight to engage in these thought-provoking discussions with you. The impact of technology on communication is indeed profound and multifaceted. On one hand, technology has undeniably facilitated instantaneous.
I completely concur with your assessment. The ability to communicate instantaneously, whether through messaging apps or video conferencing tools, has revolutionized both personal and professional interactions. However, I can't help but wonder if this convenience comes at a cost. Do you think the over-reliance on digital communication could potentially erode our capacity for meaningful, face-to-face interactions?
That's an astute observation, Alex. While technology has made communication more convenient, it does raise concerns about the quality of our interactions. Digital communication, though efficient, often lacks the nuances and emotional depth of in-person conversations. The nonverbal cues, such as body language and eye contact, which are pivotal to truly understanding another's intent and emotions, are conspicuously absent in digital exchanges.
Precisely, Sarah. Moreover, I've observed that the proliferation of social media and digital platforms seems to foster a culture of brevity. Complex ideas are often reduced to mere soundbites, and nuanced debates give way to polarizing statements. Do you think this trend could contribute to a decline in critical thinking and articulate discourse?
Indeed, Alex, you've touched upon a critical issue. The brevity inherent in digital communication can sometimes lead to oversimplification of complex ideas. Additionally, the anonymity of online platforms can embolden individuals to engage in more polarized and less constructive dialogues. This, in turn, may inadvertently stifle critical thinking and diminish the art of civil discourse.
I find your perspective quite enlightening, Sarah. On a related note, I'm curious about your thoughts on how technology has affected the written word. With the advent of predictive text and autocorrect, do you believe that our linguistic skills, such as spelling and grammar, are at risk of deteriorating?
That's a valid concern, Alex. While predictive text and autocorrect have certainly alleviated some of the burdens associated with writing, there is a risk that they might engender complacency in users. If individuals become overly reliant on such tools, they may not develop the same level of proficiency in spelling, grammar, and even in the richness of their vocabulary.
I agree, Sarah. However, I also believe there is a silver lining. The accessibility of information and educational resources online has empowered many to enhance their language skills at their own pace. Would you say that technology, therefore, has a dual role in both potentially diminishing and simultaneously enriching our linguistic abilities?
That's an excellent point, Alex. Technology indeed serves a dual role. It can be a double-edged sword. While it has the potential to erode certain skills, it also offers unprecedented access to knowledge and learning tools. The onus, I believe, is on the individual to utilize these tools judiciously to foster continuous learning and personal growth.
Well said, Sarah. It appears that the impact of technology on communication is both a blessing and a challenge. As with many things, it seems balance is key. Thank you for this engaging conversation. It's always a pleasure to discuss such stimulating topics with you.
The pleasure is mine, Alex. Conversations like these remind me of the importance of critical thinking and reflection in our rapidly evolving world. I look forward to our next discussion.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more